on set. Are you ready?
What's going on here?
Angolos. Alright, action!
Look at this picture. Can you see?
Amma, why you this dark?
Even the camera tried to help her, but like it gave up. Girl, you will die without a boyfriend if you continue like this.
Men like light skin. Just get the cream and use. And in 6 months you become like us.
Come on, excuse me. What is she trying to fix?
She's our friend now. We are trying to help her.
Help her how? Just brush me. Help her how?
She will look much better.
If she bleach her skin. So tell me, when did being black become a problem? I need explanation. Explain to me when being black became a problem. You don't have anything? My dear, there are women that are far better in this world and they are doing well. They are even darker than I am. They have Naomi Campbell, Foke Akindele, Genevieve. There are many. Browse them. Black women that are making, even in the music industry. My dear, when you look in the mirror, tell yourself you are beautiful. Don't allow these people to deceive you. You will go and waste money to change yourself. At the end of the day, you will kill yourself. Look at me. Look at the business I'm running. It is my business. I am dark-skinned. You people are working for a dark woman. Maybe you know. You are light-skinned. Look at it. See who you are taking advice from. You better be careful. Don't allow them deceive you.